Okay, here we have our character. This is how it looks when we're in Blender in the mode that is like the sort of normal mode. And this is how it looks when it's rendered, and it's not looking that attractive. The Zelda part. In order to change materials, we could just select the object, and I'm going to turn on the overlays. And the materials, you take care of the materials in this nice beautiful sphere here. So you can check the material and change the color, and now it's like beautiful. But I want to show you how to do the Zelda trick. So for that, I'm going to create a new material. Actually, I'm not going to use a material that is there. I'm going to press the minus sign. So I take out that material, I create a new one, and I'm going to call this Zelda and link forever. Okay. And now I'm going to jump into the shading tab there. Here we have this character, and we're in the shading, and I'm going to push this thing that says principled, press Shift A or add, press the search option and do shader, and then it's going to show me shader to RGB. I press that, I put that there, and then I'm going to Shift A or add, search, and type ramp, which is kind of a classic. And now that I have the ramp, if I push this gradient basically closer together, you'll see that it's sort of like drawing an outline based on the light of the scene, which is not bad. So if I select this one, and if I select that toast there, I'm going to turn off the outlines, the toast there and that one, and I do Command or Control L, that stands for link. I can choose link materials, and the materials are gonna be copied. Same thing here. I could actually select every part, every model here that I conveniently put on the same collection. So I can choose Frankenweenie, right click and say select objects, and shift click on this and do Command L and link materials. And of course, not everything works all the time, but I could link every material and have the face. Does it look like Joe Biden? I think it does. I link the material. I want to leave Aviv's ear. It sort of looks nice there. I shift select the other leg, shift select the French toast, Command L. Let's check the outliner then. Make sure that I'm selecting the feet, the toast, the toast, Command L, link materials, and I think I'm good now. Great. I could also probably do this to this, but these are not converted objects, so they are polygons, so they won't work like that. But now every time I click on this, I can make some adjustments. Hey Joe. On contrast and issues like that. I can add something to this. I could add something that is called a Fresnel modifier. So if I do Shift A, search Fresnel like that, and then the Fresnel is every face that is perpendicular to the lens or the camera is going to be have a distinct color. So color ramp, I put that here. I connect the Fresnel to this. How did I put it there? I press Shift D for copy. And now I need to combine these two, because if I connect color to surface, it will look a bit off. It's not what I want. I want to combine those. I might these ones to be a bit different. But as you can see, it's doing sort of an X-ray effect. But in order to combine these ones, you need to go into search and type RGB, red, green, blue, and you do you do combine color, and you do that. Or perhaps it's mix color. Sorry, maybe late mix color, and I'll do color B, color A, and result to surface. And we have a video clip, gentlemen. We do have one. This one is in mix, but I could do also in multiply. But I think I prefer it in mix. Like before, it's pretty good. And you can change the colors. I can pick the black part there and just make it different, like that red. If I modify the factors, you can get some pretty interesting stuff, including our little dancing buddy icon there. I know it looks like a 90s music video, and I want it that way. Tell me why. Yeah. But anyway, this is an option that you have. Actually, it doesn't look that bad, right? Hope it's useful. Bye.